Welcome to our latest EdTech Together topic, Create an Infographic with Canva. Infographics are increasingly being used in education to provide information to learners using a combination of text, images, and graphs to convey information in a way that sticks. This is our handy help wall for faculty, a Padlet that gives the Office of Distance Learning a space to share and store infographics and other digital content. Note that these are thumbnails and you don't see the full infographic unless you click onto the document. In an online environment, visuals are one of the most important forms of presenting information. A good infographic presents this information in a logical sequence through its setup. I've included a link to the article, Infographics for Educational Purposes, in the show notes accompanying this video. There's a good set of recommendations at the end of the article. You can also access a collection of infographics on a Pinterest board. Here's a good infographic example, one that lays out fundamental digital skills for teachers. 9 skills in 9 boxes, so the scale isn't overwhelming. Each fundamental is represented by a small visual icon, and each box directs the learner to 4 sites where the skill could be developed. Is there a defined skill set in your course that could be broken down and presented in a manner like this? Next, let's go to Canva for a look at infographic templates, which can serve as inspiration and a starting point for a project. Canva is a graphic design site for do-it-yourself designers. Open a free account at canva.com for access to templates and graphic elements to create a fast framework for your ideas. I'm using a pro account that allows for color branding and a wide range of stock elements. Find infographics under Templates and Marketing. There's a good selection of 1 and 2 column formats. You can type in 3-column infographic and see a few examples of that format as well. Here's an example that could help students understand the differences between 2 terms. Down the line, it would make a good study aid. Once I've selected a template, I can customize it. When I click onto a color block, I can change it to another color I find more appealing. And the same goes for the font. Looking at another example, I'll increase the size to 100% to really see the details. I might decide to swap these figures for a chart based on actual data points. As you can see, you can swiftly customize a template to fit your needs. You'll want the confidence level for your infographic to be high, so make sure to provide sources used. Note that I can direct readers to a website for more details by adding a URL. Once done, I'll download the file as a high-quality PDF. In this format, you'll have working links and a fully functional PDF document to upload to your course site. To get started, I invite you to return to the handy help wall to review planning your infographic. The URL will take you to the Padlet. With that, I hope that you are inspired to create an infographic, maybe for the first time.